This is our 1968 Dodge Charger MM1 turbine bronze metallic. This is a numbers matching 440 Magnum. Back here so you can see something. Factory Bumblebee. Original wheel covers. White interior. Remember in 1968 that was pearl. Look at that finish down the side. Move out here to the back. This is as it would appear in 1968 on the showroom floor. This is what we do. Stay tuned to Graveyard Cars this season and watch the epic reveal of this beautiful 1968 Charger 440 Magnum automatic turbine bronze finished.